Despite being cloudy, Valentine's Day brought a blanket of fresh snow across Minnesota the previous day, so we decided to head out. Our first train of the day is a several hours late Empire Builder coming down the short line at Chestnut Street. We then headed over to Hoffman to wait for Amtrak to depart St. Paul Union Depot. While waiting, we see CPKC 645. Finally, Amtrak's Empire Builder arrives. Note, Amtrak Heritage Locomotive 164 in Phase 4 livery between the two chargers. After a short wait, we see Amtrak's Borealis headed back to Chicago, apparently canceled today due to frozen toilets. We then head over to the Robert Street Bridge to watch MALSS. The St. Paul Union Pacific Vertical Lift Rail Bridge is a vertical lift bridge that spans the Mississippi River in downtown St. Paul. It is one of only 3 vertical lift bridges along the Mississippi River. Built in 1913, the vertical lift span has 105-foot high towers, and the electrical lift system was built with a possible 45-foot elevation. At Mississippi Street, we watch a TC&W unit train with a single locomotive, KCS 4566, fight its way up the grade. Coming down the hill is BNSF TCACC. We then decided to head to east over to Park Junction for CPKC 148. Mid-train helper is CP6644, the World War II Memorial Heritage Unit, SD-70 ACU. Finally, for our last train of the day is BNSF LAUNTW. Be sure to watch our previous video in EMD Evening, featuring the Twin Cities and Western. Thanks for watching.